Building a website from scratch can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a relatively straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to build a website from scratch. Determine the purpose and goals of your website. Before you start building your website, you need to know what it is you want to achieve with it. Is it a personal blog, an e-commerce site, or a portfolio to showcase your work? Knowing the purpose and goals of your website will help you make important decisions later on in the design process. Choose a domain name and your domain name is the address that people will use to access your website, and your web hosting is the service that will store your website files and make them accessible to visitors. You can choose a domain name and web hosting service from a variety of providers, such as GoDaddy, Bluehost, or HostGator. Choose a website platform. There are a variety of website platforms available, such as WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and Shopify. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your goals and skill level. For beginners, WordPress is a popular choice due to its user-friendly interface and flexibility. Install and set up your website platform. Once you've chosen your website platform, you'll need to install and set it up. This may involve creating a login, selecting a theme, and customizing the design of your site. Many website platforms have tutorials and guides to help you through the process. Create content for your website. Now it's time to start creating content for your website. This may include writing blog posts, creating product pages, or uploading photos and videos. Remember to keep your audience in mind and create content that is engaging and relevant to them. Customize the design of your website. Customizing the design of your website can help it stand out and make it more appealing to visitors. This may involve choosing colors, fonts, and graphics that align with your brand and message. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. This involves using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and ensuring that your website is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Test and launch your website. Before you launch your website, it's important to test it thoroughly to ensure that it is functioning properly and is free of errors. You can test your website by using a variety of browsers and devices, such as desktop computers, tablets, and smartphones. Once you're satisfied with your website, you can launch it and start promoting it to your audience. Building a website from scratch can take time and effort, but it can also be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a website that meets your goals and engages your audience.